today I am going to make a sweet treat that's not tons of calories. The only thing I have to be honest about is the chocolate. It's the chocolate. It's semi-sweet chocolate instead of cocoa chocolate, which you should really use if you want it to be really healthy. You should use the 70%, I believe, is the highest you should go, of the cocoa chocolate. But I am using semi-sweet chocolate. It's 3 ingredients. It's peanut butter, chocolate, and some strawberries. So let's get with it. So first we are going to cut up our strawberries and get those ready. So now I'm just going to get these mashed up in here a little bit. So we're going to start with the peanut butter on the bottom of each mold. And you just want to spread that out into the molds like that. Spread. And they should come out looking like that. Then we are going to add in our strawberries. All right, so this been in for 1 minute. Oops, so let's take it out of here. And we're gonna give that a mix and see what the consistency is. I put a little oil in it so that it can come out nice and smooth. And it looks like it's pretty good. That's the consistency that we want. So now we're just going to add the chocolate on top of each of them. I'm gonna put these into the freezer for a couple hours, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, so they are out of the freezer. For a couple of hours they've been in there, so I am going to try them out. So these are the peanut butter, chocolate, and strawberry treats that I made. They came out pretty tasty. These are nice little treats to have.